be sharing my project code for the reservation system. First, you have to create 4 text files, which are guest text file, room text file, booking text file, and payment text file. In guest text file, this is the name of customer. The second one is his ID. The third one is his phone number. And in the room text file, this is his room number, the number of person, and then the type of room. And in payment text file, this is the type of payment he have used. And here 1000 x3 means 1000 means the amount you have to pay per night, and this x3 means the duration of his staying in the hotel. For example, he will be staying in the hotel for 3 days. That's why here is an x3. And the fourth one is booking text file. Here is the day he have booked his room. 1 means day comes with month and year. And at the back, which is 3 to 6 means his duration. He will be check-in the 3 of March and will be check out at the 6th of March. Okay, and let's move to my code. I've used the file management Java code method to create my project, and here's the package I've import. Here's the full package, and here are my code, and something like this. So let's run my code, and after I run it, it will show the bars like this, and I have to tap at this, and if I want to know my guest data, I just click 1 and then enter, and it will show my guest name, his ID, and his phone number. And here is, he says, do you want to exit? Yes, no, because I don't want to exit, and I'm gonna click no, and then I'll choose 2, and here it shows me the room number, his room number, number of guests, and type of room. And then when I choose number 3, it will show the payment data, and here his payment type and the amount. And then number 4, it will show the booking data, is the booking date and duration, check-in, check-out. So when I click the run at this, if I choose 1, which is the guest data, it will turn from this guest text file into the guest in text file, which I write at this. Yep. And when I click 2, it will turn the room text file into a room in text file, which is here and then here. Yeah. And when I click 3, it will show the payment text file, and it will turn the payment text file into the payment in text file, which I write here, and it will turn into here. And when I click 4, it works the same like this all the time. And yeah, that's all for my project. And like if you want to input new file, you just write something like paying and your ID and then your phone number, and then it will show, like, let me run it for you. And then I choose 1, and it will show something like this. These are the text that I just wrote it which are hang and something like this. If you want to input your data, you just click here, and then write it and run the code, and you can see all of the data. And that's all for my project. And thanks for listening. Thank you.